Hello everyone! Today we're going to discuss the importance of building an emergency fund and the steps you should take to get started. First, let's talk about why building an emergency fund is crucial. Life is unpredictable, and we all face unexpected situations from car repairs to medical bills. The list goes on. These unexpected expenses can leave you in a difficult financial situation, and having an emergency fund can help you survive those moments. There are several reasons why building an emergency fund is important. 1. Financial stability. An emergency fund provides financial stability by providing a source of income during periods of financial hardship. 2. Peace of mind. Knowing that you have a financial safety net can help reduce stress and anxiety during difficult times. 3. Avoid debt overload. Building an emergency fund can help you avoid taking on new debt, allowing you to focus on paying off existing debt. 4. Investing opportunities. An emergency fund can also be used as an opportunity to invest and grow your wealth. Now that we understand the importance of building an emergency fund, let's discuss the steps you should take to get started. 1. Determine your emergency fund amount. Determine the amount you need based on your expected financial needs for at least 3 to 6 months of living expenses. 2. Set your budget. Create a budget that includes your monthly income and expenses. This will help you identify areas where you can cut back and allocate money to your emergency fund. 3. Calculate your emergency fund balance. Set a goal to have your emergency fund balance reach at least 3 to 6 times your monthly expenses. 4. Save regularly. Allocate a portion of your income to your emergency fund and start saving regularly. 5. Diversify your savings. Diversify your savings by putting money in different types of investments, such as stocks, bonds, and CDs. 6. Reinvest profits. Reinvest dividends and capital gains back into your emergency fund, increasing your savings over time. 7. Monitor your emergency fund. Regularly review your emergency fund balance and make adjustments as needed. In conclusion, building an emergency fund is essential for financial stability and peace of mind. By following these steps and maintaining discipline, you can build a strong emergency fund that will help you survive and thrive during unexpected situations.